Thank you. Not yet. Let's go potty first. You just got out. You want to load back up? Get out! Get out! Go do your thing. I see it. There's a pile of feces, human poo. It was not there yesterday when we were here. Blue. Quit looking longingly at the road. Let's go potty. Thank you, ladies. Oh, sorry, this is not zoomed out. Go ahead, go potty. You want to go get your spot? Blue. Good girl. Thank you. Blue, go get your spot. Thank you. Let's go potty. Go ahead. I saw you pee. Yeah, where'd she pee? Where'd Ayse pee? Where'd she potty? Good girl, go. Roar! Oh, that butt. Oh, that butt. Oh, that butt. Oh. Okay. What? Thank you. Thank you. Alright, let's go see Belle. Come on. Blue, this way. Did you just bump into me? Ah, there's a bird! Where's the bird? There's what's left of it. There's the bird. Where's the bird? Good, leave it. Ayse, you see it? Good girl. Blue. Catch. It's a bird bone. Did you get it? Are you burying it with your nose? Or are you trying to get it with all the grass? Oh, bad idea. Thank you, Ayse. Blue, is it good? Can I have it? Ayse, out. Blue, let me see. Can I have it? Thank you. I'll take the rest. Thank you. I got you, Blue. It's okay. Blue, go. Go. Blue, leave it. Go. Thank you. Keep going. Go. Thank you. Because I don't really take food from Blue, because I don't really do bones and stuff, that's kind of a new situation. Leave it alone. I got it. So if I was to make it a new situation with something that was stressful, or he really likes, and I've got Ayse next to me, I'm not going to force myself upon him. Ayse doesn't have any interest in the bone, but Blue didn't see that. Belle, leave it. So, oh, I lied. Was that the bone? Oh, you could get the rocks. Ayse, out, please. Good girl. Blue, catch. What do you smell? Alright, I gotta shut my ambulance off. Let everybody go potty. Belle went potty, Blue's gotta go potty, Ayse's gotta poop. Roar! Roar! Good girl. Roar! 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 No, you can't get me. No, no, no. Thank you. Belle. Ayse. Alright, Ayse, you want to load up? I'm going to let them go potty by themselves. Alright, ready? Ayse, go ahead. And then we'll get water. It's actually kind of hot today in San Francisco, which we're not used to because the morning's a lot cooler. So I'm letting the ambulance, the air conditioning run in the front and back so we can rest. That would be a great spot to park, but guess what? We're not allowed to. So, and I think Blue is stuck. Blue, leave it. Sorry. No, sorry. Go ahead and go potty. There's just human feces over here, and I know dogs like to eat that, and there's a pair of underwear over here. Bastards. Come on. Thank you, Blue. Alright, you ready to load up? We're going to go in the back. Not in the front. We're going to go in the back. I'm going to shut that off in a minute. This is Scott with Second to No One Canine Life Coaching. My dream facility. Down there is the bay. You can see Golden Gate Bridge right there. Blue, let's stay in the shade, please. Have a great day.